In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. If you're running an online store and want to simplify the buying process for your customers, then this guide is just for you. Let's dive right into the steps to make your Shopify checkout experience smoother and more user-friendly for your customers. First off, you'll want to begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look to the left side of your dashboard and locate the Settings option. Clicking on this will bring you to a new menu where you will find various settings to adjust your online store's operations. Here, search for the Taxes section. Clicking on it lets you manage how your store handles taxes. Now, if you wish to remove tax calculations entirely from the checkout process, you'll need to uncheck the box next to Show All Prices with Tax Included. It's important to double-check this setting to ensure that it reflects your business needs and compliance with local tax regulations. Next, let's move on to removing the shipping calculations. Return to the main Settings menu and find the Shipping and Delivery tab. Once you click on that, you'll see options to manage your store's shipping settings. Scroll down until you find your general shipping rates. Here, you can choose to edit, remove, or adjust the shipping rates that apply at checkout. To eliminate calculated shipping, either delete existing shipping rates or set your rates to free shipping. This can be particularly enticing for your customers and may help reduce cart abandonment rates. As you adjust these settings, remember to consider your business model and profit margins. If you opt for free shipping, you might want to incorporate these costs into your product prices or handle them as part of your business expenses. Once you've made these changes, it's crucial to test them before they go live. You can do this by using the preview option in your Shopify dashboard to confirm that all prices appear as expected without additional tax or shipping fees showing up at checkout. Your customers will appreciate the transparency and simplicity, possibly leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Keep in mind that customer preferences can vary, and testing different strategies can help you better understand what works best for your store. So there you have it, a quick, effective way to streamline your Shopify checkout experience by removing those pesky tax and shipping calculations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow these guidelines to ensure everything runs smoothly on your Shopify store. If you have additional questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, happy selling!